Welcome ladies and gentlemen, in this video I would like to talk how to transform a hero into a completely different unit for certain time. This method is relatively unique and is different from HeroModeSpecialAbilityUpdate that allows us to change model and the condition of a unit. New method allows us to make something even more advanced. We will analyze this method on the example of Tom Bombadil's Thunderstorm ability. This is unique ability that turns Tom into a completely different hero with different code for 50 seconds and then turns him back to his basic form. This was made via next logic. Via ToggleMountsPecialAbilityUpdate, we are transforming Tom into a cloud. If you remember, the same code is used for creating ring heroes. Here we have next lines. ObeyRechargeonTrigger, yes. That is preserving the timers for Tom's abilities within his transformations, so abilities will not be refreshed every time we switch the form. Also SynchronizeTimerOnSpecialPower preserves timers for his abilities between different shapes. We have to create a different unit. EquivalentTo Tom Bombadil ring hero actually says to the game that that's the same Tom, and he is not gone. Together with MaxSimultaneousOfType, it prevents from summoning other Tom when he is in different shape. This new unit has to have all abilities inside its code to preserve timers. I've created a thunderstorm, then added a ChildObject for convenience. Lifetime update is here actually to inform us about effect duration. RemoveModule is very interesting code that allows us to remove certain module that will make certain abilities in ChildObject code inactive. It works like in this example when we have some abilities or functions and we don't want the ChildObject to have it. Together with RemoveModule we have only 4 such elements in the game code, among which are InheritableModule, that is used when we want certain functions to be common for all units under the hierarchy and affected all units in the hierarchy. ReplaceModule allows us to replace certain abilities or functions in the ChildObject code. And AddModule that was never used for the game because almost always we can perform without it. Why we have copy here of the code that transformed Tom into the cloud into his cloud form? That's because it's needed to maintain timer for his transformation ability. We could simply add it to the paternal object, but it's more convenient to add to the last recipient in the chain just to see. ChildObject is something like a shortcut of the original that has all its components and where we can add something new. Here we have again code ToggleMountSpecialAbilityUpdate that this time has the opposite function. It returns Tom from his cloud form into humanoid form. Here we have trigger by and name of the upgrade. If you remember, upgrade is just a switcher and this is actually an upgrade from the Captain Hero code because we have a limit on number of upgrades. I guess there can be only 1055 upgrades in the game. StartsPaused, yes, as the ability will be available only when we get the upgrade. Via ObjectCreationUpgrade when we have reached rank 10, and this ability is working only at rank 10. So we have the upgrade, we are getting the upgrade that makes the ability available. And with help of DoCommandUpgrade, when we have gotten the upgrade, the ability activates and returns us Tom in his humanoid form. That's all, thank you for watching and happy modding!